In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Google Meet meeting. So to start, you can open your browser. I'm using my Chrome browser, so you can come to the search bar and just search for meet.google.com, and you can just go ahead and hit on enter, and it is going to bring you over to Meet. Now you have the option to enter a code or to join a meeting. But for this, I want to kickstart a new meeting that I want to schedule for a later time. So let's say we come to a new meeting over here. Now you have the option to create a meeting for later. Start an instant meeting or schedule in Google Calendar. Now I want to create a meeting for a later time. So once you click on this, you can just copy this link and you can share it with anybody that wants to join that link. Anybody that you want to join, you can join the link by just copying this. Here is your joining info. Send this to people you want to meet. Be sure to save it so that they can use it later. So this is going to be open-ended, okay? So at any time they want to join, you can just talk to them and they can join the meeting directly. So all you need is to copy this link. And if you have this link, let's try to open it somewhere and see how we can join the meeting. So once you have this link, you paste it, you click, and then you'll be able to join the meeting. Ask to join, and then on the other end you will be asked that someone is coming in here and you can admit that person, and now he's in the meeting as well with you, so you can have your discussions. You can add others directly if you have their emails and so on. Okay, so this is how to set up an instant meeting and even share the links with your friends to join to start an instant meeting. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.